Okay, so you do this one.
Consumer surplus.
What formula are you going to use?
So yeah, it's going to be that integral one. Yeah.
There's the formula. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go back to that page. Oh, I can't actually. I have to do it this way. Um, how can we do this? Okay, let me do it this way. I want you to try this one, but obviously I want to write down the formula. So let me just get it. Okay, so let's copy that little bit. Okay, there's your equation. All right, let's go back to the question. There's the question. There's your equation.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to write again on the screen? You can write on the screen.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, you do the workings. Let's check. Consumer surplus.
Okay.
You're using this formula and you're applying it to that question.
Okay, so first I need the DQ okay, in terms probably of dB. So I can't remember, is that 1 over DQ? Yeah, so
Okay, work through it. First step. Step number 1 is to do what?
yeah. Okay, so first I probably I don't have to differentiate.
No, you're not using differentiation, you're using integration.
Okay, so first of all, probably 25 over Q plus 2 times DQ.
No. Well, it's okay, but you're just forgetting that. There you go.
Yes. Okay. Okay, and then I'm not sure. Am I supposed to use that 1 over U or?
No. Well, in terms of the integration, later you would have to.
Okay. So do I need to integrate at this point or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So this, you need to bring it into something like that, and then from 0 to Q.
Yes.
And obviously minus the PQ.
Okay, so first let's get the, okay, to get the Q, you're probably going to set the P to 0.
No.
Or
how do you get the Q? How would you get the Q?
oh, the price is 5. Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't read
Okay,
that.
so maybe do that
Okay,
little
so
working.
5 equals 25 times divided by Q plus 2. Okay, so that means, okay, 5 Q plus 2 equals 25. Okay, so that is 5Q plus 10 equals 25. So 5Q equals 2.5.
No.
Oh, sorry, sorry, it's 10. 15, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, be careful. Remember, it's plus 10.
Yes, yeah.
So it'll be minus 10 on the other side.
Yeah. So 5Q equals 15. Okay, and then so Q is 3.
Okay, so you've got Q as 3. Let's check if that was right.
Yeah.
Was Q 3 here? Yes, Q was 3 there.
Okay. So next then, yeah, this is the part that I struggle with. That I need to practice.
Okay.
So I'm going to get the integral from here. So that means obviously plus 1 divided by 1. But obviously you've got the q plus 2 here at the bottom. So you're probably going to have to use that substitute rule or...
Yeah, that u. Yeah, because q
that
plus
u,
2
yes.
would be the u. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you had to work it out, you would have u, and then obviously u would be ln. Do you agree?
Yes. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the function ln would be the 1 over x in terms of the derivative. So if I'm doing integration, I'm going from here to there.
Back
so
to,
if it's
yes.
1 over u, I'm going to get an answer of ln x. So I'm going to have ln,
Okay.
so I'll have ln q plus 2. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so this 25 over q plus 2 would be, it would be 25 ln q plus 2. There's the integration.
Okay. I just want to ask you quickly. Okay, so the first step that we did was using u.
Yes.
So what did we say? What did you set u to? So u was q plus 2.
Yes.
So
then you have 25 over u. 25 over u in terms of its function would be ln
yes.
u 25.
Oh, okay, because with ln you can move the... why does the 25 move in
Because
front
the
of the
25 is the
ln?
constant.
Yes.
So the constant, it's 25 ln u. Because you're integrating.
Okay.
It's like when you had this, x squared.
Yes.
No, we can't do that one. There, this one. Okay, this would give you what?
Oh, yes.
Okay, it's the constant.
Okay.
It's the constant. The 25 is a constant.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right, so when you have something like this, maybe just to remember it, you will have ln, the bracket, whatever it is, and then just remember the constant outside.
Okay.
Okay, and then you've got obviously 0 to what? To 3.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so if you,
then you're going to
carry on.
substitute. Okay, so then I'm going to substitute 3 into here and then 0 into here. And then I'm going to divide, subtract them.
Yeah,
so,
you're going to have to substitute 3 and 0, yes.
Yeah, 25 ln 3. Was that a 2 plus?
Yeah, it's a plus
2.
2. Sorry, the writing's not so great.
Okay. Now I'm also struggling to write with this. Okay, and then this is going to be minus. And then this is 25 ln 0 plus 2.
Yeah, so 0 plus 2 is just 2.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, so far so
let's
good.
just make that 2. Now I'm going to have to practice tonight.
It's right. Don't erase that. That was correct.
Okay. I just wanted to remove the 0. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
2. Okay.
Okay, so now plug that into your calculator. 25 ln 5 minus 25 ln 2 is what?
Ln 5 minus 25 ln 2. 22.90726. 8.
Okay. And then what is your P times Q?
Okay, obviously the price is 5 times 3, it's 15.
Okay,
So
yeah, 5 times 3 is 15.
minus 15. So that gives you 7.90726.
Yes, option 3.
Okay.
Nice. Question 14, just to double check. Yeah, option 3 is correct. Yeah, same working, same calculation, same answer. Good. Is that right? Okay.
Yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna have to basically practice it tonight.
Okay. But remember,
Yeah.
maybe what I would suggest doing, because it's a open book exam, maybe write
Yes.
down these workings for one of them and keep it aside so you can see the steps. So if you get a question that's similar, you just follow the steps.
Okay.
Okay, maybe do that. So have an example question to reference.
Okay.
All
Yeah,
right,
no,
this
I
is a
think, yeah,
nice
that's a
question
very
to
good idea.
reference in case it comes up again.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Because yeah, I think from all of the exams, I think there's usually at least one. And that,
Correct.
yeah, I think, and
Yes.
yeah, but I'll probably leave it until last because
That's a good idea.
they usually take up a lot of time as well.
Correct. Yeah, they do. So
Yeah.
that's good exam technique. Definitely do the 24 questions you can, get them right. Don't rush them though. Make sure you get the right answer because you don't want to make silly mistakes and then you lose out on some easy marks.
Yep.
And then once you've completed those 24, then you can work on those last 6 that are tricky.
Okay.
Okay, good. All right. Other
Um,
questions? Do you have more?